going to go through today's fraction problems with you, okay, just to get you started. Number 1, Lily's gran gave her €15 for her birthday. Lily spent 1/3 of this money buying a new pencil case and colours. How much did she have left? Now there are a number of ways of doing this, okay? But what's very important is that you know how to find 1/3 of a number. To find 1/3 of a number, we divide by, yeah, that's right, we divide by 3. So we need to find 1/3 of €1/3 of €15, and that will tell us the money that she spent. But be careful, we're asked what does she have left. Okay, number 1 is easy enough. Number 2, Lily used the rest of the money that her gran gave her, so we need to use the answer from number 1, to buy a cinema ticket and popcorn. She spent 4/5 of the money on the ticket. How much did the popcorn cost? So we need to take the answer from 1, that's the money that she has left, okay? And we need to find out how much the popcorn cost. If she spent 4/5 of the money on the ticket, how many fifths did she spend on the popcorn? And once you know how many fifths she spent, you can find out the fifths of the amount. Okay, it's hard to say without giving away the answers. Okay, so 4/5 of the money on the ticket. We know how many fifths are in a hole, so how many fifths were left for the popcorn. Okay, and then we have to work out what that fraction of the money is. Number 3, 5/12 of the people at the cinema were girls. Okay, now it says if there were 25 girls, so 5/12 is equal to 25. How many people were at the cinema altogether? Now, 5/12 were girls. We know that the other 12 must be boys, but we're not interested in that. We're interested in the number of people, okay, in the whole cinema. How many 12ths are in a whole? 12 12ths. Before we find 12 12ths, we first need to find 1/12, okay? So I'll write down a little bit for you here to help you. 5/12ths we know are 25 girls or people. Before we find out the whole amount, we need to find out what 1/12 is. This is 5/12, so 1/12 will be this divided by 5. Okay, that's what 1/12 is, and we need to multiply that by 12 to find out the whole amount. Okay, so we're looking to find 12/12 of the number. We're looking to find the whole amount. We're given 5/12. We need to divide by 5 to find what 1/12 is, and then multiply by 12 to find out what the total number of people are. Okay? If you need to pause that, do, and look back over it. Number 4 then. Lily walked home from the cinema. When she had walked 3/5 of the way, she stopped to tie her shoelaces. If she still had 400 meters to walk, what was the total distance between the cinema and her home? Write your answer in kilometers. So, imagine the cinema is here, write sin, and H for home is here, okay? She's walking and she gets 3/5 of the way, okay, to tie her shoelaces. Okay, then it tells you how many meters she still has to go. So you have to figure out, okay, 400 meters is equal to what fraction? And once you have that information, you should be able to find out what 1/5 of the distance is and then what the total distance is. Okay, again, I can't give away much more than that, because then I'll be giving you the answers, okay? But you don't need to draw the picture, that's just the way I think of it, right? Now, there's a Super Sleuth challenge which involves drawing a map. If you want to do it, you can, but you don't have to. Okay? It's totally optional.